This video shows an application problem involving the computation of the periodic payment in a general annuity. This general annuity will be actually a mortgage. This is the problem. Daniel purchased a condominium apartment for $690,000 with 25% down payment and monthly payments amortized over 25 years. If interest is 4.5% compounded semi-annually, we have two questions. What is the size of the monthly payments first? And second, what is the cost of financing? So let's explain both situations. Let's answer first what is the size of the monthly payment, this question A. And let's see what is happening. So we have a mortgage in which we are going to pay an amount that is financed at the beginning by monthly payments. And during the time, this time is given. The time is 25 years. So we can easily compute how many payments in total. And this amount that is financed is actually the value of the apartment, that is $690,000 minus the down payment. So the present value, that is the financed amount, it will be $690,000 minus 25% of $690,000, or you can multiply 0.75 times 690,000. So that gives me that the finance amount, so the present value, will be $517,500. So this is the amount in the present value. And we know that the number of payments per year will be 12 because the payments are every month, K equal 12. We also know that happened for 25 years, so N will be 25 times 12, 300 payments. So in the formula, N will be 300. Now we need to think in the interest per year. So we need to think in the periodic rate of interest. We know the nominal rate of interest is 4.5, and this is compounded semi-annually. So M equal 2. Because K and M are different, because the number of payments and the number of conversion periods is different, this is a general annuity. And the formula for computing the periodic rate of a general annuity is always this. Nominal rate of interest divided by the conversion period. So that gives me the periodic rate of interest compounded semi-annually. But here we need it compounded monthly, so we need the equivalent rate of interest compounded monthly here. So for that reason we are using this formula. M, that is 2, and K, number of payment per year, will be 12. So we make a substitution of everything in the formula and use a calculator to compute this. This is actually 1 over 6, but you can, in the calculator, you can write 2 over 12. It's the same. So you can get 0.003715319. Now that we have I, that we have AN, and that we have also N, we can use the formula. They know that the present value formula is this, and we can solve for R, just multiplying by I both sides, and divide by this factor here, both sides. So actually what is going to happen is that the I appears here multiplying AN, and the factor of this appears divided the other side. So will be, this is the answer for R. So just make a substitution of everything. So this I is this number, this AN is 517,500. So it will be the value of the condominium minus the down payment. Okay, so, and this N equal 300. So make a substitution, you obtain this number, and then using your calculator, you obtain that the payments need to be $2,864.22. So this will be the value of R. The size of the monthly payment that will repay a mortgage of $517,500 in 25 years is $2,862.22. So this answers the first question. And if I want to answer the second question, what is the cost of financing? What I need to do is just make a subtraction. Everything that I have paid minus the finance amount. answering the second question is actually to compute the interest. And the interest is everything that you have paid when you are paying the finance amount. So everything in this payment. So it will be 20,062.22 300 times. So this is actually what you pay when you are repaying the finance amount. Because another thing that you have paid the down payment, but at that moment you were not paying your finance amount. Minus AN, this is the present value, that is the finance amount, 517,500. Okay, so make this substitution. N is 300, R is this number, and AN is this 517,500. Use your calculator and you will notice that the cost of financing is this number, $341,766. Another way to obtain this amount is making a subtraction of everything that you have paid, but you pay this plus the down payment, minus, in this case, minus the cost of the house, minus 690,000. It will give you the same number, because here you will be adding the down payment and here you will be adding the down payment. So you are adding and subtracting the same amount, so the answer will be the same. So I prefer to be thinking only in the payments when I'm actually paying interest. And these payments here are. Okay, with this I finish the explanation of this problem. I hope you have found it useful. Thank you.